Hello, beautiful people. Hello, my beautiful subscribers. I love you, and I want to record this special video. It's like a little sneak peek from Cannes Film Festival 7 to 9, and we are sitting in this beautiful, iconic Carlton Hotel, literally on Croisette, and I will show you what's happening behind the scenes, behind the film festival, all the drama, all the gossip. Because imagine, you see all these beautiful, iconic pictures right from the red carpet, but what does it take to get ready? How many people creating this beautiful looks? Designers, hairstylists, makeup artists, photographers. I mean, without them, it won't happen. Because I do believe that success all depends from your team who is loyal to you, team who has the same vision, which is so important. And actually, it's the second time when I will do the public speaking for a foundation, Women World Foundation. And I'm so grateful because I believe in unity, I believe in women's power, and it's just incredible to unite women, especially in this beautiful place like Cannes during film festival. So let's go, I will show you what's happening behind the scenes. Look how many goodies here. Oh, I love it. Ooh la la. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's so cute. Wow. I'm looking to try it. Oh my god. Thank you. Here we go. So cheers for the opening ceremony.
Oriflame Sweden.
Yay. So we're talking about what happening in Cannes Film Festival. So this is my friend Ilona, very amazing, talented designer. She did amazing dress. So she walked yesterday at the red carpet. And then what happened? Show us.
Wait. Excuse me, my bed, because when I cancel the cappuccino,
Can you see?
Don't worry, sweetheart, that's fine.
So basically, somebody stepped on the red carpet.
Not after.
After the red
inside.
carpet, inside in the palace, somebody stepped with a high heel, I guess. It's like
On
a
my
big
finger.
and on the finger, and literally ripped. You see the blood? You see the blood? That's what's happening in Cannes Film Festival. How are you feeling right now? Show me your leg.
Now I can't
How many
go
hours
to
are you
red
in
carpets
hospital?
anymore. I can't.
Are you kidding me?
And she cannot attend the red carpet. Can you imagine that?
can't,
There always will be haters and always will be bullies. But the most important, focus on your dream and move on, right? So no negativity, just block negativity from your life, block toxic people, and move to your beautiful goals and dreams.
There you go.
You ready, darling?
Yay!
Yes, you are.
Yes, I am.
It's called Maison et Lourd.
Thank you so much. So it's super exclusive.
Yeah, it's not launched just yet.
Wow, look at this. Let's see what's inside. Oh my god, so exciting. Oh, okay. This is conditioning. Okay. While we're getting ready for the carpet, I have all these goodies. And here is, I guess, the argan oil. Right, okay. And we have as well, texture and cooling spray. Yes, that's exactly what I need. And guys, I'm having like this amazing style.
I don't know what's there behind, but I'm very curious. Everybody says it's amazing. So we have this red look for the red carpet, and you will see in a bit. And we are going to Fast and Furious with my love, Juliet, who arrived from London. Red carpet, baby. Here we go.
You are on the red carpet. Like honestly, I'm watching you. You have such an amazing presence, and just the way you command, the way that you just are, people look, but just your demeanor is so beautiful, so together, and also you've just got such an individual look. Like I know, I watch the cameras, they're just haunting. It's a gift. It's a real gift.
Really?
Yes, really.